stretching and lower body mobility exercises. Let's do it. Exercise number 1, bench dips. Perform bench dips by positioning your hands on a bench with arms extended, lowering your body until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle. This exercise engages the triceps and shoulders, promoting flexibility and strength. The controlled movement targets the upper body, contributing to improved mobility in the shoulders and arms. Exercise number 2, crab twist toe touch. Execute crab twist toe touches by starting in a crab walk position, then reaching one hand to the opposite foot. This dynamic movement engages the core and lower body, enhancing hip flexibility and promoting a comprehensive lower body mobility workout. The twisting motion targets the obliques and encourages improved range of motion in the hips. Exercise number 3, curtsy squat. Master the curtsy squat by crossing one leg behind the other, bending both knees as you lower into a squat position. This exercise targets the glutes and inner thighs, enhancing lower body mobility by stretching and strengthening the hip muscles. The fluid motion promotes improved flexibility and balance. Exercise number 4, forward lunge. Perform forward lunges by stepping one foot forward and lowering the body, keeping the back straight. This classic move stretches and strengthens the quadriceps and hamstrings, improving lower body mobility by enhancing flexibility in the hip flexors. The controlled lunge motion also contributes to better overall balance. Exercise number 5, high knee. Elevate your heart rate with high knees, lifting each knee toward your chest in a marching motion. This exercise engages the core and improves hip flexibility, promoting dynamic movement in the lower body. The high knee exercise not only enhances cardiovascular fitness but also contributes to improved overall lower body mobility. Exercise number 6, jump step up. Execute jump step-ups by stepping onto a platform with one foot, then explosively jumping and switching legs. This exercise challenges the lower body, enhancing mobility through improved strength and flexibility in the hips and quadriceps. The dynamic nature of the movement adds a plyometric element, further contributing to overall lower body functionality. Exercise number 7, Mountain Climber. Incorporate mountain climbers into your routine by bringing each knee toward your chest in a plank position. This dynamic exercise engages the core and promotes hip flexibility, contributing to improved overall mobility and coordination. The rhythmic motion enhances cardiovascular endurance while targeting the lower body muscles. Exercise number 8, One-Leg Squat. Master the one-leg squat by balancing on one foot and lowering your body into a squat position. This challenging exercise focuses on balance, stability, and lower body strength. By promoting flexibility in the hips and thighs, the one-leg squat contributes to improved overall lower body mobility and functional movement. Exercise number 9, Plyo Side Lunge Stretch. Integrate plyo side lunges to enhance lower body mobility through dynamic stretching. Start with a side lunge, then explode into a jump before switching sides. This exercise targets the inner and outer thighs, promoting flexibility and strength in the lower body. The dynamic nature of the movement improves overall mobility and adds a cardio element to your routine. Exercise number 10, Stretching, Reverse Dip. Finish your workout with a reverse dip stretch to target the triceps and improve shoulder mobility. Position your hands behind you on a bench or elevated surface, lowering your body to feel a stretch in the triceps and shoulders. This stretch complements the workout by promoting flexibility in the upper body, creating a holistic approach to overall mobility. Wrap up your workout feeling empowered and flexible. Embrace the journey to better mobility with these stretching and lower body exercises. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more daily exercise routines. Keep stretching and thriving.